Any storm chances today? I know we just had some stuff move out.
Very low, and we're not talking about anything severe. What
Okay.
we will see, probably east of Dallas and Fort Worth, that will be our best chances for some showers and storms. It shouldn't impact the airports at all, taking you out to DFW. A little less warm out there, 85 degrees it will be as we get into the afternoon, but still humid. Feels like it's 91 out at the airport, but things are running pretty smoothly weather-wise. Otherwise, out there for us here late this morning as we come back out to Cedar Hill, 84 feels like it's 90. So still kind of steamy, and you see the clouds billowing up a little bit. Looks like it wants to rain. We may see a little spotty shower or thunderstorm today, but look at the dew point temperatures, upper 60s and low 70s. So temperatures might be a couple of degrees cooler or less warm than it has been, but it is still going to be muggy out there for us with those lower 70s, especially farther east. It's going to be a little bit higher, a little more humid in our eastern counties. So as we look at that muggy meter, we're well into the very sticky to uncomfortable category across North Texas here for late this morning. That will be the case on into the afternoon. Now, as far as any rain is concerned, be a little showers moving out of southern Oklahoma up along the Red River between Bonham and Sherman, and then our eastern counties. Not a whole lot going on now, but there will be an isolated to scattered storm developing probably as we get into the early mid-afternoon hours. We may see one or two back closer to the Metroplex as well as we head into the afternoon, with the temperatures in the upper 70s for Canton and Athens right now, back into the Metroplex, and the rest of North Texas mid to upper 80s in a few spots here. The cloud cover will hold those temperatures down a little bit farther east, probably not getting out of the 80s on into East Texas. Out toward Terrell, you may get up to around 90. Canton and Athens probably staying in the mid to upper 80s here throughout the afternoon. Those lower 90s elsewhere. And the temperatures, though, over the next several days, not going to be too bad at all. Now, we may warm up a little bit more tomorrow and Saturday with those rain chances lower, but by Sunday we'll have highs starting to come down a little bit, and that will be more so as we get into Tuesday. Highs only in the upper 80s Monday and Tuesday. We'll take that for late July. We'll have highs only around 90 by next Wednesday, so below normal temperatures for the next several days. All right, here's what it looks like on the satellite radar composite. Had the heavier rain, the more widespread activity last night and very early this morning. That's well down to San Antonio, Austin, and those areas. Moving on down toward Houston and Galveston, but weakening as it does so. So the bulk of the rain there off in the Gulf here late this morning. Now, the rain chance is going to be pretty slight as we go through the day today, and I think we'll get through the day tomorrow dry. Here's how it looks around 7 a.m. and as we go through the day, not much at all as far as the rain is concerned, and we should start off the weekend dry as well on Saturday. But by late Saturday going into Sunday, that will be our next best chance for the showers and storms that will be scattered about. So if you have some plans on Sunday, especially outdoor plans, just keep that in mind. We'll have the scattered rain and thunderstorms around as we head into Sunday. That will continue Sunday evening right on into Sunday night and early Monday as well, with those rain chances over the next 7 days. You see about a 50% coverage by Sunday and Monday, and we'll keep the scattered rain chances hanging around through the middle and latter half of next week. So let's get right to it as far as the rainfall forecast is concerned. 1 to 2 inches total across a large part of North Texas. Some higher amounts in our southeastern counties, and that's where we could see some flooding. That might be a concern in some places too over the next several days, so we'll be talking more about that. Otherwise, not anticipating severe weather, but yes, those below normal temperatures are welcomed for late July as we get right to that 14-day forecast for you. Those upper 80s to around 90 through the middle of next week, and only a modest warm up as rain chances continue right on toward the latter half of next week as well into next weekend, and those highs climbing back into the mid and upper 90s as we end the month of July. We'll have more midday after this.